Yeah, they like laying on top. Ocean basil. As long as this stuff is growing, it doesn't matter if it's in the ground or not. You tired?
Huh?
And you could water, or you want to water, and I could put this stuff in the truck. Oh, dang. And then everything underneath is doing really good. You see we got a couple sprouts. Hey. Here. Yeah, they like laying on top of it. Hey, Papa. Hi, my baby. Do you, Papa? I wet your dirt for you, Papa. You gonna go lay down? Oink, oink. You see it? We got some peppers. Let's see. Got some nice looking squash, my absolute favorite thing to just plant a bunch of varieties of. These trellises that we have here. I love cucumbers, I love passion fruit. I love everything that's like in the vine family, because how cute, number one, how cute are these little spirals, and then they naturally just find support and hug onto them. and they're going to grow on this whole trellis, and it's going to be so pretty once they're adult plants. A better view from that side, so it's naturally just hugging the trellis and getting its support. These are lemon cucumbers, so they're like little yellow ball, like the size of like a tennis ball, and they are in the cucumber family, and I've actually never grown these, so I'm really excited to try these out. They have some flowering on them, which is always a great sign. And then also some of my squash varieties down here are looking really nice and healthy, and they're getting their leaves on them. No flowering yet for this one, but probably within the next week we'll get some nice flowering. And then this squash variety over here, it does have some flowering on them, and the flowers open early in the rising, and that's when the bees come and like pollinate and stuff like that. So we have some nice flowering, and I don't know if you guys could see, but we have some nice formation coming in. So we should start having again some maturity and some development of the actual vegetable. So it's looking really good. Our mint is looking really good because it was kind of dying off a little bit, but mint just kind of grows wild and like into a bush, so it's super healthy right now. I'm really happy about that. The same with this as well. It's a pepper. It kind of died off, but it's coming back healthy. We just got to get this one here to come back. Let me focus. So right here, I feel like I probably just dropped a bunch of seeds here, and we have a lot going on. This is absolutely a watermelon, this leafing right here. And again, watermelons have that same vining that I kind of just talked about with the cucumber, so they will find support and hug on to any type of trellis or something like this and support themselves. And then underneath here as well, we have some good development. This right here is in the squash family. I'm just able to identify things by their leaves. That's in the squash family. This is in the squash family. And then we have a watermelon. So that should be interesting to see what happens right there. I do have some purple and blue corn, and I mainly planted this corn here because it's just a great natural source of privacy, and then of course it is also edible and it's food. So I have some corn here, and this is kind of just like a overview of the garden right now. It's looking really good. This is about maybe a month and a half of development, so maybe 2 months, I'll just say. So I'm really happy. I think in about a month or so, definitely by the end of next month, we should be harvesting some of these squash varieties. We already have peppers that are ready, so we've been harvesting a few of those. And then we have some cherry tomatoes ready. We have so many cherry tomatoes growing wildly, so I'm thinking of uprooting and taking these tomato plants out, honestly. This here again for the natural privacy, some blue and purple corn, and if you actually come down here, you could see that it has that pretty like red color at the base, and this is just growing so nice. Okra seeding coming up. Those I could tell are in the bean family, maybe the purple pole beans. And then up there again, we have some of that corn for privacy, and a little bit of corn just going around the whole border. Fresh basil from the garden.